Tired of disorganized spending and lost track of what you ordered? Let's fix that by learning how to enter a purchase order in QuickBooks Online in just 5 simple steps. Step 1. Initiate the purchase order from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Click the plus new button. You will find this in the upper left corner. This action opens a drop-down menu of various transaction types. Step 2. Navigate to purchase order creation in the drop-down menu located under the vendors column. Select purchase order. This will open a new window where you can input information for your purchase order. Step 3. Fill out the purchase order form first. Select your vendor from the vendor drop-down menu, then enter the purchase order date and the ship to address. Next, go to the item details section, where you'll input the products or services you're ordering. In this section, include the quantity, description, and rate for each item. Step 4. Review and customize your purchase order. Double-check all the information you entered. Verify the total amount, and feel free to add a message to the vendor, such as preferred delivery instructions. Step 5. Save your purchase order. After verifying the details, click either Save and Send to email it to your vendor, Save and Close to save and exit, or Save and New to save this one and immediately begin a new purchase order. Now you have successfully entered a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. Using purchase orders, you can streamline your procurement process, track expenses efficiently, and manage your inventory all in one place. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips.